What's the meaning of choreographic? Choreographic. Choreographic.
Choreographic. Choreographic. Choreographic refers to the art of creating dance compositions. The term encompasses the process of designing movements and sequences, selecting music or soundscapes, and arranging performers on stage. A successful choreographic work will skillfully blend these elements together to elicit an emotional or intellectual response in the audience. The result can be a stunning display of physical prowess, an exploration of societal issues, or a poetic interpretation of human experience. Choreographic works can range from highly structured classical ballets to experimental contemporary pieces that defy traditional conventions.